Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a button in Power BI that will clear all of your filters in one click. So I've created this report that you can see. It's got some visuals on the right hand side and some slices on the left hand side. Now before I started recording this video I made the report and I decided on the method that I was going to share with you on how you can clear all your filters with a button. But then, just before I started recording, I updated Power BI and I discovered that they've made it a lot easier for you to add a button that clears all your filters. So what you need to do is you need to go to Insert on the top ribbon, go to Buttons, and they've actually added an option here where you can add a button that will clear all your slices. So if I click that, they essentially give you now a button where you can just click it once and it will clear all of the slices that you've selected. So if I select some things here as an example, now I'm in Power BI desktop, so I'll have to hold the control key on my keyboard, but now I can click here on the button that I've just created and it will clear all of the slices. So it's really useful, and then you can go in and you can click it and go and you can change the text, you can add a border, you can increase the text size, you can edit the button just like a normal blank button. So it's really good actually, it's a really useful feature. But I will also show you the way that I was going to present by adding a bookmark and adding a button separately. And that's because if you want some more, if you want to be able to customize it a bit more, for example, if you just wanted to clear the first two slices, this wouldn't work. So I'll show you how you could do that with a bookmark. So firstly, if you haven't got the bookmarks pane open on the right hand side of Power BI, for example here, what you need to do is go to View on the top ribbon and click the bookmarks option. It will bring through the bookmarks pane. Then click Add, and I will rename the bookmark. So clear first two slices as the bookmark. And now you want to edit the bookmark settings here. So you want to leave data selected, you want to deselect display, or unselect display, unselect current page, and then select selected visuals here. So what you're left with is display chosen and selected visuals. Now you'll then need to go to the visuals that you'll want to clear using this bookmark. So if it's just the first two, I'll select these two, and then I will go to, and obviously you've got to make sure that none of the options are selected, because it will return these two slices to this state essentially. So make sure that none of the options are selected here. Select them and then go to here and click Update. So now when we use this bookmark, it will return these two slices to their original state here. And now what I'll do here is I'll go to Insert, Buttons, add a blank button here, and this will be to clear the first two slices. So go to Style, I'll add some text here, so clear first two slices. And then what we want to do is we want to apply the bookmark to this button. So click on Action here, type is bookmark, and the bookmark is clear first two slices. So now we've got buttons to clear all the slices and just to clear the first two slices. So if we select some examples here, so if we select all of these options here, so clear all slices, if I hit choose Control and click this, it will clear them all. If I choose them again, if I click this now, it's just cleared the first two and we've left the selection here. So so yeah, that's what you can do. I mean, I would, this is a lot easier if you want to have a button to clear all slices. Just go to Insert Buttons and choose it here. But using the bookmark option does give you some more options to choose which slices you want to clear, or if you want to bring in any other visuals, if you have any selections on your other visuals that you want to clear or you want to highlight, you can use the bookmarks method. So I thought it'd be good to show you both ways that you can do it. So that's everything. Thanks for watching.